was originally scheduled as a hearing that could have freed the last 3 of the 4 men, Kevin Peace, Eugene Vent, and George Freese, turned into something very different this morning.
Governor Walker, we, the people of Alaska, are demanding that you declare Eugene Vent, Marvin Roberts, Kevin Peace, and George Freese innocent men
Late yesterday afternoon, only hours before the men were set to be in the courthouse, Judge Paul Lyle vacated the proceeding.
Very emotional day for everybody. We had hoped that we would see the 4 men released, but there's still work to be done.
No one really knew the details about the deal, but John Hartman's brother said the men ultimately would walk free.
They were just going to make the deal anyway. Why make me do that? Why put me through that?
Details of that deal were outlined in a 4-page ruling by Judge Lyle. The Fairbanks Four would withdraw their claims of innocence and in exchange would be released immediately, but not without agreeing to not sue, and further with the prospect of possible re-prosecution should any, quote, new evidence come forward.
None of us knew the specifics, and so we were hoping for the best outcome.
Thought was the state must have done something wrong.
It's pretty outrageous. I think the deal is outrageous.
Today at a rally held outside of the Rabinowitz courthouse, longtime supporters of the men called upon Governor Bill Walker to step in.
Governor Walker has made an art out of remaining silent on this. It's time for that to end. These are the people that put him in office, and they're the people that will make sure he doesn't get back in if something doesn't change.
In his ruling, Judge Lyle said he wasn't aware of the legal basis that would allow the men's immediate release if the state claims they are guilty and the men remove their innocence claim. He did, however, say the governor could grant clemency or a pardon to the Fairbanks Four.
Of course they're going to take that deal. They're dreaming of being at home where it's warm with their family, where they're loved and safe.
They have no more a right to hold them than they have to hold me or you or anybody who's watching.
Lawyers from both sides now have 10 days to file legal briefings that would further support the deal, something Lyle says he's not disapproving but holding in abeyance until the filings are reviewed. Supporters of the men say after 18 years, they will continue to fight for exoneration.
We demand that you let them go today.
This is Stephanie Woodard reporting.